What's wrong? What's wrong with Daniel? He's hungry?
He not hungry. He ate a 6-inch sub.
Daniel, you little BB. Are you hungry, David? Yes? What would you like?
Pizza. I have my pizza at my house.
You have pizza at your house?
Yeah,
You want to go to my house?
yeah, yeah. I want my house.
Oh, but you're grounded. You're in trouble.
No, not trouble.
Yeah?
No.
Why is he in trouble again?
If you don't brush your teeth, then I teeth hurt.
Ew, you don't brush your teeth? That's nasty.
I told him he has to brush them every day. And not just